How to use screen optimization on a Samsung OLED TV. Your Samsung OLED TV provides an essential, built-in screen feature designed for optimal performance: screen optimization. Screen optimization intelligently detects the state of your screen and prevents screen burn-in or image retention. Screen optimization is automatically activated when the TV is turned off without disconnecting the power cord after watching TV for more than 4 hours of cumulative time. To ensure the best performance, it's important to follow these simple steps. When you're ready to turn off your TV, press the power button on your TV's remote control. This will automatically initiate the screen optimization process and will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Screen optimization will be cancelled if the TV's power cord is unplugged, or if the TV is turned back on before 10 minutes has passed. If screen optimization was successful while the TV was turned off, you can confirm it through a pop-up message on the screen once the TV has been turned on. If you unplug the power cord after watching TV for 4 cumulative hours, the screen optimization feature will not function and a pop-up will appear the next time you turn on the TV. This pop-up will remind you to turn off the TV using the remote control when turning off the TV again. Select Close on the pop-up message. If the TV is not optimized and the cumulative viewing time exceeds 12 hours, a pop-up will appear, prompting you to start screen optimization immediately when the TV is turned on. Select Start Now on the pop-up message to initiate the feature. If no action is taken, then screen optimization will automatically start after 1 minute. Screen optimization will begin. The TV will be turned off for about 10 minutes and then turned back on. To ensure the feature works properly, please do not turn on the TV or unplug the power cord during the screen optimization process. We highly recommend using screen optimization regularly to prevent potential burn-in and to ensure the longevity and performance of your Samsung OLED TV. Screen optimization is a simple yet effective way to safeguard your investment and enjoy an immersive visual experience for years to come.